All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a really cool 1962 Impala Super Sport 409. Of course, it's a dual quad 4-speed, lots of horsepower. So 409 has been born out by Shavers Performance to a 427. So it's got a steel crank, it's got a Z11 camshaft specs, roller rockers, dual AFBs. It's an X block, which is the 409 horsepower block to begin with, so it's a good one. Goes pretty good. And it's got 323 gears in it, so you can get on the freeway with this car. They used to have 411s, it was just over the top. I mean, all you're doing is spinning wheels all day long. So, you know, you want to cruise, you want to go to the cruise night, you want to get on the freeway, take a little drive up the coast. Definitely want to be able to drive it. Just like that song, She's Real Fine by 409. Pretty cool though. Well, you know, the paint's beautiful on this car. It was restored well, and it's been taken care of by, I know the last two owners, a couple of good guys, really cared for it. Basically sat in a collection in the garage. So, but we'll go up here and take some more pictures and describe a little bit more of it to you and see what you think. All right, look at this incredible 1962 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 409. Two-door hardtop, two-door sport coupe. It's got the early Americans on there, which look really cool. Torque thrust D, staggered, 15 7s and 8s. Got some BF Goodrich TA radials. The chrome and the trim and the paint on this car are amazing. Really good condition. It was restored many years ago, but you'd never know it. Looks like it just came out of the spray booth. Roman red. It's got the dual exhaust with the slash cut tips. Sound really good. You know, that 409 under the hood. Dual quads. Punched out to a 427 by Shavers Performance. Got a Z11 cam specs. It's got roller rockers, steel crank, all the goodies. But it's an impressive looking engine. All the chromes, one-piece bumpers, front and rear. All the stainless, all the trims, got LED lighting throughout. Headlights, taillights, interior lights. It's got a custom auto sound stereo. Interior is beautiful too. Buckets, console. I love the early Impalas. They got that chrome band that goes around the seats. Just really classy. Of course, the speaker in the middle of the rear seat. All tufted. Console with a floor shifter. It's got a custom auto sound stereo, as I mentioned earlier. There's a CD attachment to that in the glove box. Some odometer gauges to replace the stock ones. And it's also got the reduced steering wheel, so it's a little easier. It's got power steering, so you don't have to have that giant steering wheel. Dash is all painted nice. Headliner's great. Just a beautiful car. Got a stack of receipts on it. It's been well cared for. I knew the last two owners. They took really good care of it. And now it's ready for the next person. It's just a good appreciating asset. Here's the power plant in the 62 409 Impala Super Sport. Pretty nice, man. I mean, it looks nice as stock, but it's not. You know, it's a 409. This was a 409 horsepower engine, the X block, but I think it's got more than that now with the work that was done internally. But it's got the two AFB carbs on there, updated Hydroboost disc brakes up front, PowerMaster one-wire alternator. It's got a cold case radiator with dual electric fans, with the remote reservoir there. Optima battery, of course. Nice stereo. It's got Doug's headers. Electronic ignition with basically Pertronix setup in there, but really cool. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Sounds great. Great running 409. Like I said, dual exhaust all the way out the back with some Flowmasters. Gives it a nice rumble to it. Oh man, it sounds awesome, man. It turned head with this one, that's for sure. And you know, like I said, it's got that T10 4-speed transmission with a 323 Posi-Traction TruTrac differential, 9-inch Ford from Moser. A lot of good components on this car. Ready to go to cruise night and, you know, get some smiles out there. Appreciate you watching. You want to come out to California Cars and check it out? You're welcome to. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you around. Thanks for watching.